Today I'm showing you how to make this Keto Strawberry Preztel Dessert. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Mel and welcome back to my kitchen. If you are new, however, please do take a look around, and if you like what you see, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you know when I post a new recipe. So I want to tell you a little bit about this Keto Strawberry Preztel Dessert. It's got a brown butter pecan crust. It is so yum. You will love it, and you'll be able to use it for any of your other desserts that you just whip up. And the middle layer is a cream cheese layer, and that is creamy, and yeah, it's when you taste it you will be able to relate. And finally, we have got a strawberry jelly layer or gelatin layer with some fresh strawberry slices. As always, the nutritional information and your shopping list is listed in the description box. Let's get into the recipe now. First, we are going to prepare 2 cups of sugar-free jelly, and I highly recommend using the aeroplane jelly. I'm using aeroplane strawberry flavored jelly. It is 0 carbs and 0 sugars. It doesn't have any of the tolls, which is quite bad for you, and you can have a reaction to it. So I love this brand of jelly. If you're not comfortable using jelly at all, you can place a teaspoon of gelatin into 2 cups of hot water and add strawberry essence. We now need to set this aside to cool completely to room temperature. Next, we are going to prepare this amazing brown butter pecan crust. Over a medium heat, add 1 stick or 113 grams of butter. I've had to cover my pan because butter can be quite dangerous. It's basically oil that's splattering everywhere. You're going to let your butter simmer on medium to low until it turns an amber color, and mine took about 6 or 7 minutes. This is what my butter looks like. I hope you can see that there is now a brownness to it. It's changed to a beautiful amber color. And now we're going to add in 1/4 cup or 53 grams of sweetener. I'm using monk fruit. Stir that around a little bit, and also you can lower your heat to low just to prevent splatter, and then you won't get burned. This is crushed pecans. I have just run it through a food processor, and I am adding 3 cups. And of course, now we are going to mix to combine. It smells so good. Once it looks like all your nuts have been coated in your sweet butter, turn off the heat and give it a final check. And let this cool a little so you can work with it. Set your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, or gas mark 4. I have greased a standard rectangular casserole dish at the bottom, and now I am just adding my butter pecan mixture to my dish. And then we're going to flatten it like that. Like so. You can see mine is quite tightly packed in there, and now this needs to bake in the oven for 15 minutes. This is what your crust will look like when it comes out of the oven, and now we need to let it completely cool. I've got here 1 cup of softened cream cheese or 225 grams, and I've just left it out on my bench top. It comes out really beautifully soft. To that, add 1/2 cup or 153 grams of powdered sweetener, and we're going to mix it until fully combined. You can also use your hand mixer. I'm not using my hand mixer at first because it's powdered sweetener. It's going to go everywhere. Once your mixture is fully combined, lastly we are going to add 1 cup or 249 grams of heavy cream. And now you're going to mix until it's fully combined. So first I incorporate this by hand, and now I'm going to use my hand mixer to speed up the process. I have mixed this to soft peaks, and next we are ready to assemble. My crust has completely cooled now, and I'm just going to add the cream cheese mixture on top. When you're spreading your cream cheese mixture, just make sure to fill all the spaces that might be showing through, and make sure it goes right up to your container, because when we're pouring our cold jelly over this, you don't want it to seep through the bottom layers. Look how pretty this looks. This is 1 cup of sliced strawberries or 200 grams, and you're just going to lay them down however you like. I've just decided to do straight lines, or at least try to. Lastly, we're going to pour the jelly over your strawberries. Don't pour them like too harshly, just go gently so that it doesn't really move around your strawberries. That is looking so good. Refrigerate your completed dessert now for about 4 hours until your jelly layer has set. And now it's time to show you what this looks like on the inside. And you can see, because we filled all our spaces, we have clear, beautiful layers of the brown butter pecan crust, your cream cheese layer, and the beautiful strawberry jelly. Wow, this is a beautiful dessert for a summer's day, because of course it's cold. I really do hope you get to make this strawberry pretzelless keto dessert. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.